Hi, my name is Ryan DeAngelis from the Guaranty RV Supercenter in Junction City, Oregon. Today I'm going to show you a 2020 Coachmen Freedom Express 321 FEDS. So that's front entertainment. So it's got multiple slides in this unit. It's a bigger unit that's pretty comfortable for people that sometimes are going to be full-time or just want something with a big comfortable living area and a nice big bedroom area as well. So I'm going to show you a whole bunch of stuff on the inside. Follow me. All right, on the inside, you got a couple different areas to sit at. There's some bar stools right over here that you can sit up on your little breakfast nook thing here and have your coffee, eat your cereal, stuff like that. But you also have a dinette over on this side. That's a booth-style dinette with a table that comes outside if you want. There's an additional table on this unit that is also for outside camping, a big, huge outdoor table. But that table makes into a bed as well. There's a lot of storage underneath it. Then over on this side, you have your hide-a-bed. So this is a tri-fold sofa that folds all the way out, not just a little jackknife, but it folds all the way out into a full-size bed. Then across from that in the other slide here, you have your Thomas Paine recliners. With that Thomas Paine recliners, they have light-up cup holders. They're heated and they're massaging, but they're not the power recliners because we don't like those as much here. Now over on this side, you'll see you got a big, huge TV that's on what they call a televator. So that TV raises up and lowers down. If you do drop it down, there's a big, huge window up in the front as well. All the windows in here are frameless windows, so they're a better insulated window. They're a deeper tinted window, but they also have screens on them and open up, and lets a lot of natural light in here as well when you drop that TV down. There's an electric fireplace in here, so as long as you're plugged in, you can use that to heat this whole little area up in here without having to run your furnace all the time. Then you have your AM, FM, CD, DVD, USB, Bluetooth, the whole bit. You have cable satellite connections as well, and a lot of storage up in that front area. Alright, so in the kitchen area here, you have this nice stainless steel sink. You got an extendable sprayer on the hose for your faucet. There's a big, huge utensil drawer that slides out underneath the sink as well. You have a 3-burner range with an oven with a glass door that all lights up LED, really cool. There is Corian type style countertops or solid surface as well in the kitchen area, but in a Coachmen product, every surface, whether it's a tabletop or a counter, is always going to be one piece. The kitchen ones are always going to be the Corian type. They bumped up the fridge in this year as well, so you have an 8 cubic foot fridge where they used to do a 6 cubic foot as well. So a nice setup there. In the bathroom, you have the nice big walk-in shower, a porcelain bowl in the toilet, so you actually have a real toilet instead of a little plastic one, skylight in there as well, and an exhaust fan. These have fantastic fan in them too that you can control with a remote control for in this different areas in here to kind of kick a lot of the air around. This is a Coachmen product, so a couple things they have in every Coachmen product besides the solid surface countertops is going to be tongue and groove plywood in the floor. Most of this industry, a lot of stuff that this is going to compete against, and probably 85% of everything out there, period, is going to have what's called, usually like OSB, like a particle board in the floor. In some parts of the country, it might not see a whole lot of rain. That's probably fine. In Oregon, not so much. Another thing they do is in the walls in these is something called Asdel. You can see it inside the door jamb in here. You can see the material. It's not wood or fake wood. It's a man-made material that can't be damaged by water, which makes it basically impossible to delaminate, so no bubbles on the outside. It's also a better insulator. It can't mold, and it's also half the weight of wood or fake wood would be. And they use those in the Lances for many, many years, but a lot of my Coachmen stuff does too. That is a big difference. You're going to look at a lot of stuff that'll have the same floor plan. It'll be packed with particle board in the floors, particle board in the walls. They'll have a bunch of cable slides and things like that, and this being a Coachmen product, it's all rack and pinion slides too. Here in the bedroom, this is a pretty cool setup as well. They have a full-size queen, a 60 by 80 queen. Most of these things have RV queens, so they're same width, but they're a lot shorter. This has a real queen mattress, and it's in the slide out, so we actually have enough room to walk around in this back room. There is a ton of storage. There's a lot of cabinets and things, but you have the big fifth wheel style closet in the back. So you got 4 big cabinet doors in the back with a ton of storage for hanging and whatnot. There's a spot for a TV back here too. This one specific one we didn't order with a TV, but we can get you one to put in there as well. There's USB ports and different things scattered throughout this entire unit that are wired up to your 12 volts. And then where you're a fantastic fan that I was telling you about with the remote control in this one is in the bedroom. You can suck a lot of the hot air out of here at night, you know, or pull cool air in as well. And it's got like a rain sensor that'll close if it starts to rain and you have the lid open. Underneath the bed has a bunch of storage that you can also access from the outside as well. All right, on the outside, I'm going to show you a couple things here. You got your 2 doors, of course, but you got this big, huge power awning with the LED light strip in it too, so you got enough light to see your steps in the middle of the night and be able to kind of have a little bit of, you know, room out here to be able to camp and be covered and not in the pitch black. Then on top of that, you got your outdoor kitchen. Now, not all outdoor kitchens are the same. This one's got some things that are on like the little higher end side. So you have a sink in here with a drain in it. A lot of these have kitchen sinks or outdoor kitchen sinks that you have to dump out when they fill up. They're just like a basin. This actually has a drain in it as well. You have like a utensil sponge drawer here. There's a little rack up top for other stuff. There's an LED light, a not so mini fridge, so you got a pretty good size there. And then you got a little Coleman camp stove out here as well that you can grill on. So pretty much every single thing you need here, and you're covered under this. I'm almost 6 foot tall. I got plenty of room still above me where you're covered under from rain as well if you're cooking outside. So you kind of got everything all in one spot, easy to get to, and so you don't always have to cook everything on the inside, especially fish, chicken, or bacon. Some of your stinkier stuff you can cook out here as well, where you're usually going to do most of your camping at anyway. Alright, so one thing that's really cool with this unit too is it's got a ladder on the back. It's a full walk-on roof. You can get up there and walk around. You don't have to put plywood on. You're not going to fall through. And it's, you know, it's kind of always a sign of confidence when they put a ladder on the back. One of these things that they're encouraging you to, you know, be able to walk on the roof. Another thing that's very unique with this unit is the power stabilizer jack system they have. So a lot of these, when they have power jacks, there's one button that controls the 2 front ones, one button that controls the 2 back ones. When you flip up this lid here, there's 4 dials for just the stabilizer jacks, 1 for each one, so they're all independent. You don't push one button and the 2 front ones go down at the same time and one side hits before the other. You drop each one down individually, then you have the controls for the power tongue jack as well. There's a bunch of other stuff on this unit I'd like to show you, but we don't want to make this video 20 minutes long. So give me a call. My name is Ryan DeAngelis. My cell number is 541-525-4001. Or call me, email me, whatever you want to do, and we'll schedule an appointment for you to come take a look at it. Talk to you soon. Thanks.